The Backstage view is where you'll find all the commands for managing your database file. To use the Backstage view, click on the red File menu at the top left of the screen. Save, Open, and Close are right on top. If you need to rename your database or move it to a new location, you can use Save Database As. If you want to make a duplicate of one of your tables, forms, or reports, use Save Object As. Here are your recently used databases, so you can open them with one click. The Info button gathers information in tools. It's dynamic and will change according to your database. Sample tools that may appear here include Compact and Repair, Encryption, enabling content and SharePoint publishing services. The Recent button shows your recently opened files, and down here you can specify how many of them you'd like to see in the menu on the left. The New button allows you to create a new database from scratch or from a template. Print has all your printing options. Quick Print will send your objects straight to the printer without a dialog box. Print will open up the Printing Options dialog box, allowing you to choose your printer or your number of copies. If you want to only print a certain set of records, you can highlight them first, and then click here to print just that group. I'll click Cancel, go back to the File menu, and back to Print. Print Preview shows you what your page will look like when printed, and gives you the options for paper size, margins, portrait, and landscape, zooming in to see it, and more. You can even export from this window into an Excel file, a delimited text file, a PDF, or attach it to an email. Click the big red X to close the print preview and return to your database, and then click back on the red File tab again to return to Backstage View. The Save and Publish button allows you to convert the database to previous formats, and here are a number of advanced features that we'll look at later in this course. You can use Package and Sign to attach a digital signature to confirm authenticity when you email it to others. You can back up your database. Use the ACCDE button to create a standalone runtime application, allowing others to use your database even if they don't have access on their computers. And click here to save your database to a SharePoint server. If I click on Publish to Access Services, you can convert your database to a web-based file, so you can publish it on the internet via a SharePoint server. Help has been brought down to this menu, and here are Access's options, both of which we'll explore in future lessons. Back again to File. And here is the Exit button to quit Access, although you can also use the big red X in the upper right-hand corner. The Backstage view is a comprehensive zone for working on your database file itself.